All right, you Flash Masters, let's get started. In order to convert this pseudocode to Python code, you need to make sure you understand the question. They said it's intended to display odd if the positive number num is odd, which num is our variable. The way you know it's odd is by using the modulus operator. The modulus operator gives you the remainder of whatever you divide. So if you take 3 mod 2, it would give you 1 because 2 goes into 3 1 times, and there's a remainder of 1. Now that we know that, let's initiate a variable num and give it a assigned value of 9, obviously. Then after that, we're going to go into our conditional statement. For our conditional, we are using if. Now we're saying if what? Essentially, we're modding. So if num, I'm going to put a space here, but you don't have to. That's just my coding style. If num mod 2 is equal to 1, make sure you remember that colon, indent. We're going to just print odd. Let's run that to see if this is true. There we go. We got odd. Now, when I change my value of num to, let's say, 10, I'm going to run this again, and I wouldn't expect to get anything because we have yet to say what to do if the number is not odd. And since there's only one other option, we're just going to add an else statement. Remember, else's do not require a condition. It is your plan Z, it covers everything else. We're going to print even. Let's run that one more time. Bam, got even. Now we're going to make our program a little bit more interactive by changing this static value to input value. I'm going to ask the user to enter a integer. Now when I run it, enter an integer, 9, you'll see we get this problem here, this error message. We need to make sure that we are using a integer since we are using the mod. So I'm going to put int around it. So now our program works. And the last thing you want to make sure that you understand is that here, where we're using this equal sign, only one equal sign, that means variable assignment. When we use 2 equal signs, we are evaluating the value of 2 different values.